你好, welcome to Dr. Zizi's Chinese classroom. Today we're going to learn how to memorize the Chinese place names more easily or effectively. And first of all, learn from me these 4 directions. This one that I'm circling is Dong, which means the east. And this is a Na, south, and this is a Xi, west, and this is a Bei, north. The Chinese way of giving the directions or of telling talking about the directions is clockwise and starting from the east. It goes like this. So 东南西北 Dong and 南 Xi and Bei. So that's east, south, west, north. Where in the English-speaking countries, you're going to like a cross. Okay, so this you need to know. And also, Dong and Nan are regarded as more important. The horizontal direction is more important than the north and the south direction. And therefore, to say southeast, we say it reversely. We say Dong Nan. So in Chinese language, it's east-south instead of southeast. Dongbei, northeast, is the same thing. You say Dong first, and then you say Bei. All right. So these are the directional words. And also, I'm going to teach you the 3 very important characters in Chinese place names. The first one is He, which means river. And the next word is Hu, that's a lake. And the next one is Shan, which means mountains. Lots of place names have, either the word He or Hu or Shan in Chinese place names. Okay, so right now I'm going to let you see these 8 provinces and or autonomous regions in China. So the first one is Hebei. Since He means river, Bei means north, it means river's north side, or to the north side of the river. That's Hebei. And Henan is the river's south. Shandong is our mountains east, the east side of the mountain. And the Shanxi is the west side of the mountain. Hubei, so Hu means lake and Bei means north. So it means lake's north side of the lake. And Hunan, likewise, is the opposite side, south side of the lake. Guangdong, there must be a place called Guang, and Dong means it's to the east of Guang, and Guangxi is to the west of Guang. All right. Now, please read after me these province names: Hebei, Henan, Shandong, Shanxi, Hubei, Hunan, Guangdong, Guangxi. Okay, now I'm going to mark this. Let's see if I can get a different color. Let me see. Let's try the blue color. Okay. So since this is Hebei and this is Henan, we can assume that there, somewhere there is a river. So a river that is separates Hebei and Henan. So to the north of the river is Hebei, to the south of this river is Henan. Hubei, Hunan means there ought to be a lake somewhere. And to the north of the lake is Hubei, and to the south of the lake is Hunan. All right. And then we are going to get a different color. Let's get the greenish color for the mountains. And here is the Shandong, means to the east of the mountain, and the Shanxi to the west of the mountain. There ought to be a mountain somewhere. And I believe the river goes through the mountain or cuts the mountain into at least the two parts. So there is a mountain. Or otherwise, let's see. Let's see if we can make it this way. Yes, so make him believe that these are mountains. So to the east of the mountain is the Shandong, and to the west of the mountain is Shanxi. And there ought to be some place called Guang in the old days, and therefore to the east of the Guang. So let's just make a star to indicate there was a Guang there. And the Guangdong, Guangxi. All right. And with this kind of help, people can easily learn these 8 provinces with one lesson. So what you learned is the 4 directions and the 3 other words like the river, the lake, and the mountain. Okay, 好的. So much for this, and I'll try to teach you more place names in the next video. 谢谢，再见。